Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hi, this is Daisy. Happy birthday. May God grant all your dreams and all your wishes come true. Thank you for being such a sweet, kind, generous, and great friend. Enjoy your special day. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Ayan, hello sis Daisy. Gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday. And wish you all the best and more blessings to come. Ingat palagi. Happy birthday again, guwapa. Enjoy your day and ano, ingat palagi. Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po, Ate Daisy, also known as Art by Daisy from Leia of Leia and Halo Vlogs. First and foremost, I would like to say thank you for the kindness and generosity of you spread in this YT community. We are truly grateful and thankful na isa po kami sa mga natutulungan ninyo through games and giveaways. You truly deserve a wonderful day or wonderful birthday filled with happiness, joy, and peace surrounded by people you love. Again, happy birthday sa nag-iisang mother of Nala. Muli, I am Leia of LSL or Leia and Leila, greeting you a happy birthday and more birthdays to come.
Hello, Sis Daisy. Happy birthday po. Wishing you all the best in life. Good health para sa iyo at sa family mo. At stay sweet always. Lalo na yung boses mong malambing. Stay beautiful always. Enjoy your day. Maraming salamat po.
Hi, good morning everyone. First of all, happy birthday, Sister Daisy. Enjoy your day, sister. Sister, I wish matupad na yung mga hiling mo and lalo na yung matagal mo ng hiling. Hopefully na mabigay na sa'yo. Pero kahit hindi pa naman wag mo wala ng pag-asa. Bibigay at ibibigay din yan. And Sister Daisy, enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo, yung birth month mo ngayon. Enjoy mo lang, ha? And wag kang masyadong laging tense. Relax lang, ha? Relax lang lagi. And then, maraming salamat sa blessings din na binibigay mo sa amin. Thank you so much. I love you, Sisi. And sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan natin dito ngayon sa YT, ilang buwan na tayo magkakasama. Maraming salamat, Sis Daisy. And basta wish ko lang sa'yo, matupad lahat ng mga hiling mo. Kahit hindi man ibigay, nasa bibigay sa'yo sa tamang panahon. Yun lang. Maraming salamat, everyone. And then, happy birthday, Sis Daisy. Hindi ko nahahabaan kasi ang boses ko ay paus. Hindi ko nakaya. Hindi ko maisigaw. Gusto kong isayaw, pero sa birthday mo na. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday again, Sis Daisy.
Hi, Sis Daisy. Ayan, today is your birthday. I just want to greet you happy birthday. A wish ko sa'yo ay good health always. Ayan. Stay pretty, stay humble, stay kind. Thank you so much You know what I mean? Thank you for always trusting me. Salamat sa tiwala, Sis Daisy. Ayan. Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. I love you. I'm happy and I'm thankful to be one of your friends. Ayan. Happy birthday. More success to your channel. I love you, Sisi. Happy birthday. Love, love.
Hi, Sisi Daisy! Hello, hello sa'yo. Siya muna ang aking representative. Yeah. Ang aking mini Yoda. I would like to say happy birthday sa'yo, Sis Daisy. Happy birthday. Good health. Ayan, stay sweet. And, wala na. I would like to say thank you. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you so much. Thank you talaga. Happy birthday. Ingat ka parate. Alam mo naman kung ano yun at saka yung pinagdarasal ko para sa'yo na makamit mo yung pinaka one wish mo sa buong buhay mo. Yun yung pinaka-importante. Basta nandito lang ako. Ayan, basta kung gusto mo lang ng kausap, nandito lang din naman ako. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Happy birthday and enjoy your day. Ayan muna sa akin. Ayan muna si Mini Yoda. Ayan, representative ko for today. Kaya voice over muna ako. Happy birthday, Sisi Daisy. Bye!
Hi, Sis Daisy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sis Daisy. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy. Ayan. Stay sweet and lovely, Sis Daisy. God bless you always. Mwah.
So, hi everyone, this is me, Jen and Mike. And for today's video, we will greet to Sis Daisy Guapa. Happy birthday to you, Guapa, and thank you for your support. And yeah, and thank you for always there. And I wish you more birthdays to come, more candles to blow, and more cake to slice, good health, and more subscribers and more friends to come. Thank you for the friendship here in YouTube. So God bless you, Guapa, and happy birthday. So here also Mike will gonna greet you. Go Han.
Hey Daisy, happy birthday. That's all I gotta say, really.
Let's sing happy birthday together with 1, 2, 3, go! Happy
Happy
birthday to
birthday to
you.
you.
Happy
Happy
birthday to
birthday
you.
to
Happy
you.
birthday, happy birthday. Happy
Happy birthday,
birthday, Daisy
Daisy.
Guapa. Happy birthday, Guapa, and thank you so much. And thanks to Anna G for inviting me and Mike to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday, enjoy your special day. This is me, Jean and Mike. God bless. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Thanks, Stacy. Happy birthday. God bless you always. Thank you for all wishing you your blessing and enjoy your special day and wish you good health and more blessings to come. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mrs. D. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. Sana lahat ng ninanais ng puso mo ay matupad. Happy birthday.
Hi, Sis Daisy. Happy birthday to you. Hindi ko alam kung saang lugar to o paano ako nakarating dito sa lugar na to. Pero maganda yung lugar. Halika, Sis Daisy. Birthday mo. Halika, mag-swimming tayo. Anyways, happy birthday to you sa babae na pinaka-sweet na nakilala ko dito sa YT. I wish you Merry Christmas. Hindi. I wish you more happiness, more peace of mind, and more success sa channel. More good health and more wealth para marami ka pang ma-share sa amin na blessing kasi alam ko mahilig ka mag-share ng blessing sa amin. Happy birthday to you. God bless you and we love you. Happy birthday, Sis Daisy. Enjoy your day. Bye!
Hello, Sis Stacy. Happy birthday. Sis, ang wish ko lang sa'yo, happiness, good health, and more blessings. Stay pretty. Enjoy your special day. Love you.
Hello everyone. Gusto ko lang batiin si Madam Daisy Warrington ng happy birthday. And God bless you always. And thank you sa lahat ng pag-share ng iyong blessings. Naway ma-enjoy mo ang iyong kaarawan. Maraming salamat, Kapsat. Enjoy and happy birthday. Thank you.
Hello, Kapsat. I know this day is your very special day. It's your natal day. I hope you had a great day today. Have a blessed birthday, Kapsat. Have a blast of it. Kapsat, you are a blessing to us, everyone here in YT who have met you. They are grateful for having you. You have a beautiful, kind heart, and I'm grateful. I'm one of those friend of yours here even though here in social media. I'm so grateful, Kapsat, na we've met. Thank you for sharing your blessing to us, for being kind and generous to us. Kapsat, enjoy your day and praying na you can achieve the dreams you are wanting to in your life, and fulfillment in your heart na sana dumating na yun. Hindi ko man alam kung what's in your heart, praying that it will come true in God's perfect time. Kapsat, have a beautiful day today. Enjoy and hope yung memories natin together here in YouTube will last forever. Thank you, Kapsat, for everything. Happiest birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Sis Daisy! Ayan, Sis Daisy, happy birthday sa'yo. Ayan, Sis Daisy, happy birthday, Sis Daisy. Saan ba tayo ngayon, Sis Daisy? Saan ang ating inuman? Bibigyan kita ng pulutan, sa'yo ang inuman. Ayan, Sis Daisy, happy birthday, Sis Daisy. And wish ko sa'yo ay kung ano yung wish mo. Ayan, Sis Daisy, enjoy your birthday and stay safe and stay healthy and stay beautiful like me, Char. Sis Daisy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hep hep hooray. Hep hep hooray. Ayan, sis, enjoy your birthday. And thank you nga pala sa pagiging isang kaibigan ko sa mundo ng YT. And thank you at nakilala kita, Sis Daisy, napakabait mo. Ayan, Sis Daisy, happy birthday!
Hello, Sis Daisy! Happy birthday! Finally, today is the day. You've been excited for this day to come, and finally now it's your birthday, it's your day. And I'm hoping and praying that you are
as happy as we are and as excited as we are for your celebration today. And I know that you are happy, of course, because you're gonna celebrate it with your family and also with friends as well. And my wish for you, Sis Stacy, is for you to continue to grow as a woman that you are, and also stay the same, stay beautiful, not just on the outside, but also on the inside. May all of your dreams come true. May all of the goals in life that you have come true. And God bless all of the works of your hands, Stacy. Happy, happy birthday! Mwah! I love ya!
Hi, Queen Daisy! Hi, Queen! Happy, happy birthday! Ayun na, muntik ko pag makalimutan. Ako pala yung walang video. Ayun, Queen, happy, happy birthday sa'yo, Queen. Ayan, sana ma-enjoy mo to. Alam mo naman, ito na yung hinihintay natin ng ilang araw, ilang buwan. Ayan na, Queen. Ayan, happy, happy birthday. And sana, hindi ka namin mapaiyak. And sana, hindi ka na rin kakabot ng ulo kahit wala ka namang kuto. At sana rin, hindi ka rin magsa-cellphone kahit wala ka namang ka-chat. But anyways, Queen, happy, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and be kind to others and super generous. Ayan, Queen, nag-iisa ka lang talaga. Queen Daisy, happy, happy birthday. Ayan. God bless. Bye.
Hi! Hi, Sis Daisy. I just want to greet you. Happy, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Wish ko lang matupad lahat ng wish mo. And thank you for always sharing your blessings to us. God bless you always. More blessings to come and more blessings to your channel. Thank you so much, sis, for being my good friend here in YouTube. Stay healthy, pretty, and we love you. Happy birthday.
Yo, I want to send a special, very, very special shout out to you, Daisy Day. Daisy. I hope your day is as amazing, as special, as great, as beautiful as you are inside and out. I hope your 42nd is just outstanding, peaceful, loving, caring. I appreciate you for everything that you are, everything that you're becoming. You are very special to me, and I think you know that. And I didn't know what to say. I kind of waited and pushed this at the last minute because I was trying to get something together, but I just didn't. The timing just wasn't there. So I just want to tell you happy birthday. I appreciate you. I respect you. I honor you. And I hope your day, again, is amazing. Ever since I've known you, you've been amazing. Since when we met, September 2024, through our roller coaster ride all the way to now. And I know you'll forever be in my life and vice versa until my last breath. So I thank you very much for who you are, who you've been. And again, I want you to have a great day. Happy birthday. I cannot sing, so I'll give you the black version of happy birthday. So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Daisy, enjoy your day. Continue to shine bright and continue to give all your love, all your blessings, all your thoughts, and everything that you do. Continue to be who you are. Never change up. And I'm sure you're looking at this now. I'm sure I'm in there. So enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Once again, happiest birthday, Queen Daisy Days.